From the hills of the morning to evening's deep rest, in paths of your true spirits are blessed. Lead us through shadows, through mist of the night, with devotion our lantern and grace for our light. A heart that is yielded, a mind that is clear, will banish all doubting and silence of fear. Deep in the silence your voice we discern. To the hearth of your knowledge our spirits will turn. No gold and no glory, but truth as our prize, reflected in love through our weary old eyes. Eternal the vision, the wisdom, the way, in the glory